break-in procedure every time I do a top end. I just did one on this YZ here. I'm going to show you what I do, and again, this is all just personal preference and experience. There's many different ways to skin the cat, as it were. I only run cast pistons. That's something else to keep in mind. If you're doing forged, it might be something different. The bike has been ran. In the garage, I did 2 heat cycles. So by heat cycles, I mean I started up. I always vary the throttle. Don't ever leave it in the same spot. And I just kind of like let it, not idle, but maybe between idle and half throttle. Just vary the throttle position until you start to feel this hose get hot, this rad hose. And then you just shut it off, wait till the bike cools down, and I did the same thing again. Just to kind of, I like do just a couple heat cycles to get the ring seated, and then you come out here to wherever you ride, and I just, what I'll do is I'll just not lug the bike around, but just get on, not get into the meat of it, just kind of play around, again, varying throttle, not under serious load just yet. So I'll do that maybe 2 more times, quick up and down the driveway, and then after that we'll go beat the snot out of it. Alright, I hope you can hear me.